Hey all, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies here, and we have a Bandai restock to show you guys today. We've got some new stuff, some old stuff, and some really, really cool stuff. So let's check it out, eh? Okay, well, let's start off with the miscellaneous sort of kits. So we'll go with Pikachu to begin with. Now, Pikachu, everyone knows and loves Pikachu. This kit is a little bit different to the sort of other ones that I've gone through on these videos before. This one is a bit more involved. It's got more articulation in the tail, the hands. If you shake him around, his ears sort of flop around a bit, so very cute. You will need a set of side cutters for this one, so like I said, a little bit more advanced, but good for the kids, good for the adults, good for everyone, as Pokemon is. From there, we will go into a double kit, so you've got Ryolu and Lucario in this one. Like I said, two kits, one box, very good. They both have sort of different articulation to them. Lucario obviously has a few more joints in his arms, legs, that sort of thing. Ryolu has a bit less articulation, but he is a bit more adorable as well. And some very striking blues on this. They do sort of have a darker blue for Lucario and a lighter blue for Ryolu. So yeah, pretty cool. Very nice stickers for the eyes, that sort of thing. All those little details. You won't need tools for this one. This one you can just take straight off the runners. So again, good little kit to put on the shelf. And go into some Figure Eyes Standard Amplified. This is BlackWarGreyMon from Digimon. Really cool kit. This one has some awesome sort of effect parts. It's got some really nice metallic sort of colors on it. Really goes well and blends in with that nice dark backdrop to the rest of the armor. So very menacing looking, but pretty cool as well. Another great one to have set up on the shelf with all the other Digimon kits. They all come together quite fantastically. Nice variation in them. Okay guys, let's get into some Gundam stuff. We'll start off with some of the smaller high grades we have. The GN Sword 3 00 Riser. So this is a kit from the 00 series. Very cool thing with a lot of 00 sets is they have a lot of variable weapons in them. This kit is no exception. Pretty cool kit, way back from 2009, so it was a bit older, but still one of the best 00 high grades you can get your hands on. So shout out to that one there. Next up, Athranzala's Infinite Justice from Seed Destiny. Really cool kit, this one. It has a lovely, almost wine pinky sort of color scheme. It has a fantastic articulation on it. It does have the booster pack you can use in the sort of surfing mode as well, which is really awesome. And of course the double-edged beam saber. You can never go wrong with a double-edged sword. Very cool and really good articulation for high grade. Next up, get into some MGs. The Humble Ball. Simple, not very effective, but it is a striking little kit when you put it up on the shelf with all the other MGs that you have. You get 2 or 3 of these, make them a little squadron. They are very unique amongst MG kits. You don't see many of these sort of worker robot sort of things. So quite cool and a blast from Universal Century Past. Can't go wrong with it. And Invercar MG Granddaddy RX-78-2. Very good kit, this one. It does have that Kotoki style of those unique decals, sort of reimagined to be a bit more realistic. So while you may have the 3.0 version of this and the Origin suit, you will find this does have a few little hidden sort of secrets that separates it from those 2 other kits. So it is definitely worth getting, particularly if you love the OG Gundam. Very cool set. Okay, so let's move on to something a bit different. We have older kit from way back in '97 when the original End of Evangelion movie premiered. So this is the Unit 1 Evangelion in perfect grade. The box art on this is absolutely astonishing. I do love that sort of scene that looks like it was ripped straight from a movie poster for the actual movie. The kit itself is, look, it is pretty good for a kit made in '97. It is very impressive. If you want to see a bit more of a breakdown of this one, our good friend KJ did a fantastic video on that. We'll put the link in the description, and yeah, feel free to check that one out. You will not regret it. And last of all, we will go for quite an impressive high grade. This is a big box high grade. This is the Nightingale from the novel Beltochika's Children from Gundam. This is a big kit. It is a very striking red. I've opened the box before and checked out all the innards. There's some very big pieces in this, so it's not going to be absurdly difficult to put together, and it's not going to take you a very long time to do it, which in this sort of case is not necessarily a bad thing. Being at high grade, it's sort of that middle ground that you want. You want a big kit to put on the shelf, but you don't want to spend hours upon hours getting it together. So that fits this niche fantastically, and the kit is very striking with some nice angles on it. I will definitely be getting one myself, put it together, do an out-of-box review. So look forward to that, guys. Very cool. That about wraps it all up for us here. So all this is available on our website, metrohobbies.com. If you like what you see, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, all that fun sort of stuff, and we will catch you in the next video. Take it easy, guys.